All right, welcome back to another USDJPY video. Now, yesterday, this was that closing candle that we spoke about. I did say you should enter and take previous day high, which is what we did. So that was a good trade. So we took 80% of the profit. I actually took a bit more. I took about 85% of the profit. I've got a runner still, but that runner I've now moved to take off previous day high. I did jump on another one of my accounts, which I've been sharing all this with the Discord. So I ended up taking a short. Let's just close this out so we can have a clear. I ended up taking a short on another account, which was off this resistance, which was right there. Now with this trade, I do have it set up like that. So it's not a high RR, but I just didn't want to risk it too much just because we've had that strong push. And this is a support zone down here. So if there is going to be buyers, the buyers will be waiting here. Now we did take that previous day high. So now all the all the bulls that were in this candle, especially here in this week, ended up taking their profits on that previous day high. So now you just got to be careful. This still is a bullish candle. I don't think it is that strong. So if we take a look, it is still above the 50%. So there is still a higher chance of breaking the high before the low. But I don't like it anymore to let it go further higher on the longs. Just something what we're looking at. If this candle closed more bearish, closed about here, I would have continued my bearish momentum to go further down to this monthly wick, which you spoke about. But yeah, just off today, just looking at today's candle, it is a higher chance of breaking the high before the low. So if you take a look, we're at that 50% mark. So bulls off of dailies, we'll be looking at stuff like this. So your 50% is pretty much there. They'll be targeting this low, or stop loss will be at the previous day low. And they'll go up to this zone, which is this next wick zone. So TP1 would be this one. And then you want to take some profit off of this wick because sellers will come in there, or TPs will start coming in there. And then you can have a final up here. Apart from that, there's not much else to say. Let's just take a look at some smaller time frames, see what the smaller time frames are showing us. We had that bearish candle. We do have the 100 EMA down here. So we are likely to come all the way about here to possibly come to this support zone. And then from there, we got to see what the market's going to do. If it creates some engulfing candles, strong candles showing strong momentum to continue up, then we just got to follow that. But for now, I am in that short. I am still in that long on another account. But yeah, most of that long account's taken about 85% of the profit. So that was a win. I'm happy with that. Even if it comes back down, I'm happy to take a break, even if I have to, on those remaining trades. So watch today, see how today finishes. We're at midweek. We had Monday make that strong low, Tuesday retraced into Monday. Now we could have a continuation to keep going down, or we could make a new high, but we just don't know exactly. So we're playing only the safe trades. So from that, happy trading.